everyone guys, welcome back, welcome to your day 2. कैसे हो आप सब लोग guys? Quickly join me guys on your day 2 and welcome to your core workout. And today guys, we're doing a core workout. So quickly join me here guys. It's just going to be a nice 30-35 minutes of core workout. Please let me know how was your day 1. I can see a lot of people I know. Hi Neha, how are you? Hi Preeti. I know a lot of you right here. कैसे हो आप सब लोग? कैसा जा रहा है आपके? You know, how is this festive season going? Just, are you coping up with your workouts? Are you able to do your workouts? Are you making sure that you're eating well? Okay, talk to me. Hi, everybody here. And hi Kavita. Hi Sara. Hi Divya. Okay, hi Neha. Day 1 was excellent. Thank you so much. Hi Geeta. Hi Geet, I think. And hi Vanna. Hi everybody. I can see Anumisha, Pranita. Okay, good to see you. Yeah, happy festive season to you too. And hi Soumya. Anusha. Hello everyone guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? And welcome to your core workouts. Guys, today you don't have to wear shoes. Keep a water bottle with you and make sure you are having your mat. That's it. Today we are going to be training back pain hai. Don't worry, we are going to stretch very nicely. And today I am going to be telling you the reason why back pain occurs very frequently, and today the workouts are going to really help you. Now see guys, today we will learn how to do a core workout. What is core? Okay, first of all, what is core, how to do a core workout, and you know what are the proper form of doing the workouts. Okay, so guys, आपने ये word हमेशा सुना होगा, core, abs. No, you might have seen in YouTube also a lot of Instagram videos, a lot of videos like this. 15 minutes of abs, 10 minutes shredded abs. Okay, ये आपने terms बहुत ज़्यादा frequently सुना होगा, right? Now what is this? Abs means, yes, you know abs, you know abdominal muscles है, and you know that biscuit form appears, वो abs है हमारे लिए. But see, basically these are muscles right here. These are abdominal muscles which basically occur when the body fat percentage is very low. ठीक है, जब आपका बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज बहुत लो जाता है, आप एकदम कैलोरी डेफिसिट में जाते हो, तब एब्स विजिबल होते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिसन टू दिस. Talking about belly fat and talking about core, it will go through a good diet, so you have to be in calorie deficit for it. जितना आपको, see what happens in belly fat. Let's discuss about it. You have a lot of myths about it कि belly fat कैसे जाएगा. See, belly fat is a very stubborn fat, true, but how will it go? It will go through proper diet. If you're going to starve for a longer period of time and you think कि मेरा बस पेट कम हो जाए, then also you're wrong. Okay, मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत स्लो हो जाता है, और जैसे मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो होता है, सबसे ज्यादा बेली फैट धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होता है. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट योर मेटाबॉलिज्म इज अप एंड हाई. हाउ विल इट बी? थ्रू अ बैलेंस डाइट, प्रॉपर स्लीप एंड प्रॉपर हाइड्रेशन. ये 3 चीजें आप लिख लो, तभी आपका बेली फैट रिड्यूस हो सकता है. अगर आप डेफिसिट में जाओगे, प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट लेके डेफिसिट में जाओगे. सेकंड, यू आर गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्लीपिंग पैटर्न्स एंड यू आर गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हाइड्रेशन लेवल्स. सी, हमारा ब्रेन is very clever. Sometimes our brain detects your hunger also, your thirst also as a hunger. कभी हमें you don't know that you are thirsty or you're hungry. Sometimes it happens like that. So you have to make sure that you stay hydrated. जितना आप hydrated रहोगे, you may be not keep on eating the entire time. क्योंकि अगर आप पूरा टाइम खा रहे हो, you are जिसको हम बोलते हैं पूरा दिन आप चढ़ कर रहे हो, उससे क्या होता है, and you don't know the amount what you are eating. Okay, that is also a dangerous point. So what happens, आपका बॉडी का इंसुलिन लेवल पूरा टाइम हाई है. जैसे ही आपका बॉडी का इंसुलिन लेवल पूरा टाइम हाई रहता है, what happens is you're not able to decrease this belly fat. I hope you're getting me. जितना आपका इंसुलिन ड्रॉप होगा, जितना आपका हाइड्रेशन अच्छा होगा, जितना आपका बैलेंस्ड मील्स रहेंगी प्रॉपर टाइमिंग के साथ एंड प्रॉपर स्लीपिंग पैटर्न के साथ, उतना ये एब्डोमिनल मसल्स, एब्डोमिनल फैट जाएगा. ओके, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट कोर. कोर क्या है? One person said, I am having a lot of back pain today. सो बैक पेन कैन ऑल्सो अकर ड्यू टू पुअर कोर. ओके, अगर आपका कोर स्ट्रांग है, यू कैन डू द वर्कआउट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आप लंबे समय तक वर्कआउट्स कर सकते हो. यू गोइंग टू फील लेस टायर्ड, यू गोइंग टू हैव द टेक्निक ऑफ डूइंग द वर्कआउट, एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू एंजॉय योर सेल्फ. ओके, सो कोर ये है, कोर है आपका एब्डोमिनल मसल्स, आपके साइड्स जो आपके ओब्लिक्स बोले जाते हैं, दीज आर योर ओब्लिक्स, योर एब्डोमिनल मसल्स, योर लोअर बैक, योर पेल्विक रीजन एंड योर ग्लूट्स. दिस ऑल इज कोर. सिर्फ ये कोर नहीं है, ये obliques जिसको हम sides बोलते हैं, pelvic region, your glutes and your lower back, this all is counted in core. So if your core is weak, what will happen, you will have frequent back pains. तभी आपका back pain बहुत frequently occur होता है. So you have to make sure कि आपको pelvic region strong करना पड़े. उसके लिए I'm going to be telling workouts, and I'm going to be telling you how to engage those muscles and work on those muscles, because it is very important. थ्रू आउट द जर्नी ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगी. सो मेक एंड सी, फिटनेस इज अ जर्नी. वी ऑलवेज से फिटनेस इज अ जर्नी. फिटनेस इज नॉट अ डेस्टिनेशन. wherever you are, you have to go on and on. So for going on and on, you need to have some techniques. You should know how to do that particular workouts. Okay, तभी आप उसे लंबे समय से कर सकते हो. You don't think that just by going to the gym. I'm not against any gym. I also used to go to a gym, so I'm not against any gym. आपकी बॉडी को पता नहीं है कि आपकी बॉडी अभी फिलहाल जिम में है कि घर में है. Okay, it will only detect good form and good technique. Okay, so please don't take this note from me that we are going to learn the proper form and the proper way of doing every workout. Okay, so core workout का एक specific day होता है हमेशा हर वीक में, so that we can train our core and we can go stronger and stronger. Okay, see, core is used in your push-ups, in your squats, lunges. आप कोई भी basic workout उठा लो, plank, your core is utilized. Okay, so you are working your core not just today but other workouts also. That is also you need to know. Okay, now talking enough about it, let's stretch and then I'm going to tell you how to do it. Okay, so guys, thank you for joining me. I'm going to turn off the comment box here and let's start. Okay, so guys, first of all, we're going to stretch very nicely. Give your body a good stretch today, and sometimes your body just asks for it. See, as soon as the clock hits 6 and in the 6 in the morning, in the evening, automatically my body is very stiff. It asks for stretches. So give a proper stretch to your body. Take stretch as your medicine. Take movement as your medicine. अगर आपको नॉर्मल मेडिसिन खाने से बचना है तो मूवमेंट को अपना मेडिसिन बनाओ. सुबह शाम 15 minutes. Give, even if you're doing nothing today, you don't feel like doing anything, please do 15 minutes of stretching every day, morning and evening. See the difference. Okay, so from here guys, relax, come in your tabletop. From the tabletop guys, sit in your balasana. Inhale and exhale. Shoulder is extended. From here guys, come in the tabletop. Okay, once you're in the tabletop guys, let's do a cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back, exhale, round your back. Again inhale, arch your back, look up, exhale, down. Inhale, arch your back, look up and down. Inhale, arch your back, look up. One more. Relax. From here guys, go down, touch your chest down, belly down, forehead down, elbow back, and then push yourself up. Bhujangasana. Again go down, forehead down, and then elbow back, push yourself up. Shoulders straight in one line, and don't create unnecessary pressure on your lower back. जितना हो सके उतना ही करो. From here, child pose. Relax. From here again, tabletop guys. From the tabletop guys, you're going to come in the low lunge position. I discussed yesterday also, these are hip flexors. So we're going to stretch our hip flexors, and today you will understand the importance of hip flexors. Okay, यहाँ वाली जो मसल है कैसे काम आती है, स्पेशली एब्स और कोर वर्कआउट में. So forward and back, forward and back. Inhale forward and back. Have that balance, forward and back. Relax. Switch sides. Again forward and back. Have that balance. Relax. From here guys, you're going to do the world's greatest stretch. So if your right leg is ahead, right hand is going to go up, left hand down. So this time I'm doing it the modified version. I'm not tucking the back toe and the back knee is down. From here, reach. 1. Bend the elbow. 2. Bend the elbow. 3. Relax. Other side. Left leg ahead, left hand up. 1, 2, 3. With the breath. Relax. From here guys, step, step. Stand up. Keep hands on your lower waist. Hinge and go circles very slowly. Give your body, have awareness. See which muscles you're getting a good stretch. Proper awareness is very important in workouts. Reverse. Relax. Okay, from here guys, ankles. Okay, so have that balance so you can hold something and go slow circles. Reverse. Relax, other side, switch. Reverse. Relax. Very important to raise your neck. Okay, so very gentle stretch. Right hand on the left ear. Hold for 3 seconds. Relax, other side. Look down. Look up. Look towards the right, towards the left. Keep your hands like this, open, palms open. Go semicircles. 1, 2, 1. Slowly. 2. Relax. 1 arm rotations. Very slow. See guys, joint action. Very, very important. With the, see, with age, you're definitely going to recognize this. With time, and you're definitely going to recognize that all these things are so important. And earlier when I had joined the gym. I joined the gym when I was in class. I passed out 12th class. Okay, so I was really heavy and I went to the gym. And the first thing I saw was treadmill. That was the most exciting thing I can ever see in my life. Till now also I see treadmill, I get a different vibe. Okay, and I used to jump on the treadmill and every time I used to run. And ये सब क्या है मुझे तो कुछ idea नहीं था. And second thing, I didn't pay attention. What was this? Please do this wrist action. So I didn't have an idea what is that and how it's going to affect. So, but once I gained the knowledge about these things, then you know the importance. Okay, now guys, today just a slight warm up. Just to enter the workout, to get that vibe, to get it moving. Start with some slow jogs. Okay? And keep moving. Keep on jogging. Keep moving, keep moving. Butt kicks, just without jumps. Kick back, that's it, butt kicks. Give good joint action, some dynamic movement here, butt kicks. Relax, kick forward and step back. Kick forward, step back. Kick forward, step back. Kick, step back, 5 right, 5 left. Kick, step back, kick, step back, other side. Kick, step back, kick, step back, kick, step back. I have 1 more to go. Kick, step back, relax. Start with some slow jogs again. Move your hands. relax, 10 half burpees. बस कुछ नहीं करना है, jump, hinge, down and up. That's it. See, that's the only time I'm going to make you hop a little bit. I cannot say jump, hop. ठीक है? So just 10 and then we're going to learn how to do core workouts quick. Okay? 10, 9, come on, you don't have to go with my count. 8, but if you can, it's okay. 7, 6, 5, last 5, hinge, down and up. 4, plank, hop and straight back, okay? Jump, hinge, plank, hop and straight back. Last one. And come up. Okay? So guys, now we'll understand better. Lay down. And now we're going to learn how to engage core muscles, how to brace core. Okay? Give your body some time. Relax. Now see. Just be in this position with me. Make sure your back is flat here. जितना सके आपका बैक फ्लैट होगा. There should be no space here. It should be flat. Okay? Now see. You have to imagine a scenario. I always say that. So imagine, I'm going to come there. Imagine someone is hitting you. Okay? For example, just imagine I'm going to just punch you right here on the stomach. Okay? How will you react? Okay? You're going to engage these muscles. यहाँ जितने muscles है आपको एकदम engage करोगे. Okay? So this is core engagement. Or what you can imagine is fake coughs. ठीक है? जैसे you are ill, imagine you are ill. I'm telling you the worst case scenarios, but just imagine. Imagine you are ill and do fake coughs with me. जैसे फेक कॉल्स करते हैं ना, automatically these muscles are going to be engaged. That is what core engagement is. That is what tightening of muscles is. So always remember, or you see all these muscles are engaged here. Now you can work on it. Now you can do those crunches. Now you can do those bicycle crunches because your muscles are engaged here. Okay, so you have to keep your back flat and then you have to engage your muscles. Imagine someone is punching you. How are you going to keep it tight? And then one more technique you can do is vacuums. अभी ये भी बहुत popular है, so I have to tell you about it. See how to do a vacuum. You're going to just inhale and create a hollow cavity here. You're going to create a hollow cavity right here. Okay, so this is also a technique where you can engage those muscles. Okay, and once you do a lot of vacuums like inhale, exhale, you engage those muscles more nicely and more properly. Okay, so this is core engagement. I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, so once I say keep your core tight, keep your core engaged, तो इसका मतलब ये है. Okay, now see, now how to do the workouts. I'm going to tell you your first 3 workouts and then we're going to perform. First workout is toe reaches. So you're going to land, keep your back flat, inhale, hands parallel to your ears. You can also bend it like this. So you have to engage those muscles. Keep your back flat. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so inhale. Exhale. Always remember in core workouts you have to do controlled movements. कभी भी abs या core strong नहीं होता if you do a lot of fast movements. These muscles don't recognize fast movements. They only recognize slow, controlled movements with good breathing pattern. Okay, so you have to remember these things. Breathing pattern, core engagement, controlled movements. Whenever core workouts is coming, you just see a core workout. These 3 things should pop in your head. That keep my core engaged, I have to follow the breathing pattern, and then I have to make sure I'm engaging my muscles and then performing. ऐसे ढीला perform करेंगे, maybe you're going to have less effects. Okay, so guys, always remember and see once it is going to be within your practice, you know how to do it, आप वैसे ही perform करने वाले हो. Okay, so the first workout is toe reaches. Second workout, Russian twist. You're going to be here in this position from here. 1, 2. Now Russian twist is really working on these obliques. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like this, controlled. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Third workout, bicycle crunches. So, very nicely, keeping your hands right here. 1, 2. 1, 2. One elbow up, one elbow down. Okay? So guys, let's do all these 3 workouts, and every workout here for 30 seconds, and then I will switch the timer to 45 seconds. Okay? Let's perform. Just give me a minute here. Give me 2 to 3 seconds. Let's go. Okay? Lay down. Remember these things.
Starting your
and then apply.
Exercise.
Take that rest, relax, okay? Toe reaches, Russian twist. Coming up and then performing Russian twist. Let's do it.
Exercise.
1, 2. If you want to increase the intensity, lift up. 1, 2. Inhale, relax,
rest.
Take that rest. Be prepared. Bicycle crunches. Okay, with the rhythm. 1, 2. अभी पता है. Okay, you know how to do bicycle crunches. Okay.
Exercise.
Let's perform. Taking my break, performing again.
Rest.
Take that rest. Round 2. Okay, now again guys, 30 seconds, and then the third workout, the third round is going to be an actual workout. फिर वो 45 seconds. Okay.
Exercise.
So again, 2 reaches here. Can you hear me guys? Breathe in, breathe out. You are at your home. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on guys, perform. Breathe in.
Rest.
Russian twist. Guys, these 3 workouts, you know. पहले 2 round नहीं पता पड़ेगा. Third round, you will get to know. Russian twist.
Exercise.
Let's do it. 1, 2.
Rest.
Take that rest. Bicycle crunches it is, okay? Let's lay down and let's perform bicycle crunches. Come on guys, controlled movements.
Exercise.
Every rep counts. One, 2. Ooh. Taking that break. Coming up again, lifting my shoulder blades again. take that rest. Now guys, the actual workout abhi hai. So
Workout pause.
let me just set the timer here for good 45 seconds here, and let's do it. Okay, toe reaches it is. Go for it.
Starting your Tabata workout.
Round 3.
Exercise.
You can straight your legs. That's more effective if you're going to keep it 90. Just focus on the movement and mind and muscle connection. Always remember how your muscles are going to work if you're going to focus there. So have that mind and muscle connection always. Just don't think about pani puri and do toe reaches, okay? Just think about these muscles.
Rest.
Coming up, Russian twist. Okay, now people will be saying, अभी हम सोच नहीं रहे थे, now हमारा mind आपने divert कर दिया. Don't worry, okay? Be here with me. Russian twist it is.
Exercise.
1, 2, 1, 2. Now guys, now you're going to feel that engagement. If you're going to work with a proper technique, oh,
Rest.
taking that break, bicycle crunches it is. 45 seconds it is a task guys. Try. 45 seconds bicycle crunches, you're gonna feel nice. Let's do this, let's try this.
Exercise.
Now try. 1, 2. Oh, taking my break. Halfway more. Let's do it. Literally.
Rest.
Okay, take that rest. Okay,
Workout pause.
now see guys, this core engagement is a technique जो धीरे धीरे आपके practice में आएगा. So don't think मुझे एक go में नहीं पता पड़ रहा है, so I will not be able to detect it ever. I'm not going to crack the code ever. It's very simple. You just have to practice it. You have to perform like this. ऐसे करना है आपको, ऐसे workout करना है. तो जैसे आपको पता पड़ेगा कि ऐसे करना है, automatically you're going to see that you're doing it very easily. Okay, even I've been practicing this core engagement for about 1 year. एक साल से I'm just practicing this core engagement. Okay, so don't think that's a one-day job. You will get to know it better and better with time. Okay, so now guys, again 3 most basic important core workouts जो आप Pilates में देखोगे, you can see in yoga also, you will see in your workouts also, हर जगह. Okay, these 3 things, variation of these 3 things you will see in every in calisthenics. कोई भी आप core का workout ले लोगे, you will see these 3. Okay, so first is bird dog, and then dead bugs, and third is plank. Plank तो universal है, but first we will learn bird dog. So bird dog के लिए you have to come in the tabletop position. Now please observe opposite hands and legs. Opposite hands and legs. See, inhale, extend in one straight line, exhale, come back. Inhale, extend, come back. Now please follow core engagement. Muscles को जितना tight रखोगे और करोगे, then only this is effective. Other than that, you're just going to move hands and legs, no effects. Keep those muscles engaged here. Inhale, keep your core tight. Yes, if someone is punching you, exhale. So first you're doing bird, dog, pulses. Second, you're doing dead bugs. ठीक है, dead bugs के लिए you're going to be here in this position, right here, and then one of the most important and one of my favorite workouts. I really add it in this core session, dead bugs. So again, reverse tabletop. Tabletop से reverse tabletop. Again, opposite hands and legs. Now see, it's all about coordination. It's all about hand and body coordination. So like hands and legs coordination. Inhale, extend, exhale. Now what's happening? Opposite hands and legs are going extended. और जो other opposite hands and leg है वो वही position पे है. And then come back and now this turn. So inhale, extend opposite hands and legs. The other hand and the leg is going to remain at the same position, stable. Come back and now the other one. So these are dead bugs. Don't do like this. Okay, so it's all about opposite hands and legs. Remember this. Raise your opposite hands and legs and then perform. Okay, core engagement, inhale and exhale, and one very important thing in this, keep your back flat. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका कोई स्पेस नहीं होना चाहिए जब आप डेड बग्स करो. ठीक है, सो सेकेंड इज डेड बग्स, थर्ड इज प्लैंक होल्ड. नाउ एल्बो प्लैंक या हाई प्लैंक डिपेंड्स टोटली ऑन यू. Okay, so guys, let's start. Every workout 45 seconds here and 2 rounds. Okay, so let's do it.
Resuming your Tabata workout.
Come in this tabletop. We're going to do bird dog first. Okay, let's do this. Perform.
Exercise.
Keep looking down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Keep on moving, guys, with control and with coordination. Have that balance. See, जितना आप easily ये करोगे, it means you have very strong core.
Rest.
Take that rest. Turn around. Reverse tabletop dead box. Then you're going to hold the elbow plank or the high plank for 45 seconds. Okay? Hands straight up.
Exercise.
Legs up. Inhale.
Rest.
Take that rest. Relax. Turn around, guys. Elbow plank or high plank. I'm choosing elbow plank, definitely. Coming on my elbows here. You can choose high plank.
Exercise.
Back straight. Come on, guys. Just 30 seconds more. Keep on breathing. Keep yourself calm, controlled here.
Rest.
Slowly keep your knees down. Relax. So let's do it again. Bird dog, dead bugs and plank holds. Okay, 45 seconds again.
Exercise.
Perform. Keep on moving, guys. Ah.
Rest.
Turn around, dead bugs it is. I hope you get this movement, guys, like this. Okay? So just coordinate it and turn around and let's do it again.
Exercise.
Move. Inhale. Exhale.
Rest.
Take that rest. Turn around, guys. Plank holds it is. Okay? You can hold your elbow plank. High plank also. I'm choosing again elbow plank, guys. Be strong. Come on. थोड़ा difficulty level हमेशा होना चाहिए workout में, you know. Not much. About 5 to 10%. The workout should be difficult, you know. Your body will easily go towards the comfort zone. वही tendency हमारी सबका. But come on, be stronger. Come on, 20 more seconds, guys. 20 more seconds.
Rest.
Take that rest. Relax. Now, guys,
Work
what's
your
next? Okay, take your break. Let's stretch. Let's do 2 to 3 stretches and then resume the workout. Okay, so come in this tabletop one more time and then let's do a cat and cow once. Inhale, arch, exhale round. Inhale, arch your back, look up, and then one more. Relax from here, go down, touch your chest down, belly down, forehead down, elbow back. Now come up, stretch those abdomen muscles. Can you feel that good stretch in your abdomen muscles, guys? Again go down, come up, stretch, relax. Relax those muscles in your abdominals. Abdominal region में जो भी muscles हैं उनको relax करो because you've contracted them much. Child pose, stretch your shoulders, relax. Come up. Okay, now guys, what's next? Now we're doing flutter kicks. Okay, so first workout, flutter kicks. Second workout, we're doing some V holds and then we're doing some mountain climbers. Okay, so flutters, how will you do flutters? I will tell you both ways. Okay, a bit advanced and the beginner version, or no, the easier version, the modified version. So like this, you can keep your hands here and then flutter. Okay, these are flutter kicks. Controlled, not much controlled, but okay. This is the one way. Second, you can lay down, keep your hands below your butt here, and then again you can do flutter kicks. Much easier. Okay, flutter kicks, V holds. Okay, and then leg raises. So V hold is this. V hold. Or is this V hold. This is bit difficult. ये better है. Okay, I'm also going to opt this one first. So V hold, flutter kicks, leg raises, very easy. Either you can do supported leg raises or unsupported ones. So unsupported ones will be, you're going to keep your hands right here and then raise your leg. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, or simple version. Okay, so let's do flutter, V holds and then leg raises. Okay, 2 rounds here. Now in these workouts, तीनों में hip flexors, whether it's flutter, whether it's V hold or whether it's leg raises, ये वाला muscle बहुत use होगा. So you will understand the importance of this muscle group when you're doing abs, when you're doing core. Okay, so let's do this and perform.
Resuming your Tabata workout.
Flutter kicks, guys. Let's do this.
Exercise.
Flutter. Or you can do unsupported ones like this, but वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा difficult है. Oh, I will scream, okay? It's okay to scream in core and ab workouts. चलेगा. Oh, I told you if you're wearing headphones, remove it. Okay?
Rest.
Take that rest. V holds. Okay, because you know what? Hip flexors. I hate hip flexors. They make you बहुत जल्दी tired हो जाते हैं.
Exercise.
And you know you have a lot of pain also. If you're training back to back, trust me, even if I take back to back classes, sometimes these muscles pain a lot. Taking that break. 2 to 3 seconds break and then again resuming it. Oh. Switching to modification. You know the workout, guys. Come on, perform.
Rest.
Take that break. Leg raises. Now I am doing supported leg raises क्योंकि I don't want to injure my back. जिसको भी back pain हो, please try the easier version. Okay? Don't go ninja on the day 2. Take that rest, relax. Round 2. Now this can be challenging. Flutters.
Exercise.
Oh God, save me. Oh God. Trust me, it is a bit challenging here for me. Oh.
Rest.
Do tell me how was this set for you. Okay, V holds. Let's do it. V holds and then leg raises.
Exercise.
V holds. Oh. I have given up, but I'm falling and I'm getting up again. I'm falling and getting up again. This is what it is all about. रुको, but थोड़े से time के लिए. Then come back again. This is all fitness is all about.
Rest.
Leg raises. Because you know what? Why I'm stopping too much? As I told you, hip flexors. वही एक कारण है because in all these three workouts you're utilizing it.
Exercise. Rest.
Take that break. Relax.
Workout paused.
Okay, guys. Now what? Now we're going to do two more workouts here, and okay, and that's it. That's going to be the end. So, inchworms with a push-up, and then what are you doing next? Okay. So, guys, first you're doing inchworms, and second you're doing Superman or Superwoman holds. Okay. So first inchworms. Walk out, walk in. Hinge. Walk out. Do a push-up, knee push-up if you want to. If you just want to skip push-up, it's okay. Push-up. Now see, even if you're doing a push-up, try today. Engage those muscles and try. You will do it much better today. All of you who face difficulty in doing push-ups, do give it a try. क्योंकि आपका muscles यहाँ पे पूरा engaged है अभी. Your muscles are going to take the load of that push-up, and it will be better today. Okay, so try. So first inchworms, X push-ups. Second Superman or Superwoman holds like this. Laying down on my prone position here. From here, inhale. Hold for 3 to 4 seconds. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Okay, so I'm lifting my legs up and then lifting my shoulder blades up. Okay, so let's do it. 2 workouts here, and then that's it. Okay, so guys, let's perform.
Resuming your Tabata workout.
Let's do it. Inchworms and push-ups it is. So guys, you don't need 2 hours, 4 hours to work out. You just need good 40 minutes.
Exercise.
Hinge. Inchworm. Push up. Come back. You just have to be effective, mindful. Mindful eating, mindful workouts. Keep on moving.
Rest.
Superman holds. Lay down. Let's do this.
Exercise.
Move. Again coming up. Lift up. And now lift up. And down. Lift up.
Rest.
There you go. That's it. Okay. So guys,
Workout pause.
I'm not going to exert much, but I hope you did it with proper control. You know how to do core workouts now. Now you're not afraid of it. Second, reality time. ये हम रोज करके एब्स ला सकते हैं? नहीं. Okay, if you're going to do it daily, we can do these workouts daily and get abs? No. The thing is, in abs, you have to train them. Yes, you have to train them much more than you think. Second of all, you have to take care of your diet. Okay, so your diet. See, dieting kya hai? Okay, see, I've given you a diet plan. That's true. You have to follow it, and if you're going to follow it very nicely with no a lot of options available, you will succeed and you will get it. But sustainability. Okay, let's talk about sustainability. I cannot cut down chapati, roti, sabji from your diet. ठीक है? Always remember, I cannot cut down rice from your diet. I cannot cut down chapati, roti, sabji. ये सब cut down नहीं कर सकते. Okay? You know what is healthy for you. Opt. Second, mindful eating. Always follow mindful eating. Fibers कहाँ है, protein कहाँ है diet में आपकी plate में, वो देखो. Third, portion control. Don't eat too much. Don't think that no, I'm just eating for the one time. I'm eating just 2 meals. I need to hog on food. I just have to have my own party at that time. You're wrong there. Balanced meal थोड़े थोड़े टाइम पे, थोड़े थोड़े इंटरवल पे हमेशा काम करती है. So make sure you are doing portion control. Okay, and stay active. If you're going to take care of all these things, automatically sustainability आएगा. Okay, so even if you like something, like for example you like rajma chawal and you have to eat it once in a week, who is stopping you? Have it, but थोड़ा बस portion control का ध्यान रखो. Okay, so sustainable diet and always approach towards sustainability. जितना आपका diet sustainable होगा, if you're going to take care of your water intake at times, हमेशा एक water bottle अपने पास रखोगे. These habits and don't create an unnecessary pressure on your body कि अभी तो बस weight कम करना ही है. ठीक है? अगर वो unnecessary pressure automatically put up होता है body पे, body अपने आप बहुत stress में आती है. So enjoy. Think nobody is doing good and better than you. Just praise yourself sometimes because it's necessary. Who is going to do that for you? Okay? So relax. So let's stretch. Okay? Right hand on the left knee. Turn back. Other side. Relax. Turn around. Pigeon hold, guys. Plank now. Left knee towards the left thumb. Hold this pigeon hold, guys. If you want to do some yoga now, you can do some stretching in yoga also now. Your body will react very differently now. If you have some time, thoda hai, half an hour, you can do some yoga practice also. And don't miss the yoga session, recovery sessions that is going to come up. Okay, come in this 90-90 hip openers. Roll from your heels, other side. Relax. Lay down first of all. Okay. Get your knees closer towards the chest. Hug yourself. Compressing your back here. Gentle back twist. Take both your knees on one side and on the other. Again, hug yourself. Keep your legs straight up. Hold your legs straight 90. You can just do some flutters here. It will be relaxing. Grab both your big toe, bend your knees, let your knees go outside, and you can come in this happy baby posture. And hold this posture. See the stiffness in your body right now. Let it go. Relax. Come up. Come in this butterfly. Both knees outside. Just open these muscles like this. And just make sure back is straight. And just don't flutter and stay here. And you'll get a very good stretch right here. Relax. Come up. There you go. Okay, so guys, this was all about core. Okay, so I hope you did this with me and how was it? Please let me know in the comment box also. Please let me know also now also. See, अगर आप कोई फिटनेस वॉच पहन के हमेशा वर्कआउट करते हो और अपना कैलोरी बर्न देखते हो, मे बी आज बहुत कम होगा, 100, 125, 120 ऐसा ही होगा. ओके, सो डोंट observe this because these muscles are working right here, okay, and it will not be able to show here, okay. Don't worry. See, even if it's too hard, some workouts like toe reaches, bicycle crunches, ये थोड़ा easy है, okay. इसको आप automatically, even if you did 60% of the workout, okay, whosoever finding it hard, अगर आपने 50% भी किया, even if you did 50% of the workout, that's fine. That's a big achievement. Don't think कि 100% करना हमेशा जरूरी है. I even did 80% because I stopped a lot of time. Okay, so yes, difficulty level अगर लगता है, so don't worry because you know, even if you did 50%, that's good. That's amazing. For me, on the day 2, even if you're doing 50% of the workouts, guys, that's okay. Don't get disappointed. Never curse yourself कि why am I not able to do this? This is very easy. She's doing it. Why am I not doing it? No, it's not like that. सबका body different है. Maybe you can do some stuff that I cannot do. Okay, so you know, just make sure you are coping up well, and even if you're doing 50 to 60% of the workout, good job. Okay, don't worry. You are going to gain strength. ये workouts वापस आएंगे. Okay, हम इसको लेके अपना strength achieve करेंगे. Okay, and yeah, if you felt it, थोड़ा सा भी लगा like yes, these muscles are working, good job. See, third round, second round, automatically if everything is going to see your body, for your body these movements are new. Okay, when we do some new movements, थोड़ा difficulty level आता है. Okay, so understand, because you're starting your journey और कुछ workouts बहुत नए होंगे, especially core workouts. There are thousands and millions of core workouts in the market, and but still we have to work how to set them and how to make your workouts effective. I have to work on that. Okay, so थोड़ा सा difficulty level है, that's okay. Even if you're doing 50%, you did the third round or you did this just one round also, that's also fine. एक राउंड भी किया आपने सारा सेट का तो भी सही है. Okay, see, inhale and exhale is basically whenever you crunch, so you have to exhale. Whenever you crunch, you have to exhale. Toe reaches में जब reach करते हो तब exhale. Middle में inhale and exhale मत करो. Generally I inhale from the nose and exhale from my mouth. Okay, so this is how I do inhale and exhale. Okay, plank में आपको breathing continue रखनी है. Hold करोगे breathing को, V holds में hold करोगे, your body is going to stop. So breathing is very important. So that's how you have to inhale and exhale. Whenever you do a crunch, flutters में you have to keep on inhale and exhale continue करना है. Bicycle crunches में inhale and exhale. Russian twist में inhale and exhale. Okay, so like that. So one here and one there. So you have to coordinate your breathing pattern accordingly. Okay, so and remember, generally जब हम abs की बात करते हैं, core की बात करते हैं, हम crunches की बात करते हैं. Don't think कि crunches ही आपके workouts हैं. No, it's not like that. Whenever you crunch, you have to exhale. Just half crunch किया, you have to exhale right here. Okay, so don't middle में बस inhale exhale मत करो. Okay, rest I'm going to for every workout I'm going to dictate. Okay, so can I do treadmill after this? Okay, but try to do sometimes core workouts आप जितना एंड में करो और कार्डियो थोड़ा पहले करो, वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव रहता है. ओके, सो कार्डियो एंड देन कोर. ओके, ऑलवेज इट गोज लाइक दैट, बिकॉज आपने यहाँ पे अपनी मसल्स को अभी बहुत वी हैव वर्कड अपॉन इट. नाउ यू टू रन एंड just do light treadmill. Don't go explosive. Okay, so you can do treadmill after this. Do about 15 to 20 minutes of treadmill. Go on slow walks, or you can do an incline also. Okay, unable to do push-ups, don't worry. Okay, I'm going to come separately in the morning or evening or sometimes in the middle of the day, and I'm going to teach you how to do push-up progression. कैसे हम धीरे धीरे push-up को achieve करें. Okay, I'm going to make a separate video on it because ये बहुत detailed है, ये छोटा topic नहीं है, and a lot of people struggle on this. This is the common thing. Okay, सी बिफोर और आफ्टर द वर्कआउट वॉकिंग तो आप कभी भी कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है. स्पेशली बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रेडमिल देन इट्स ऑल अबाउट रनिंग एंड गोइंग एक्सप्लोसिव. ओके, दैट इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट शुड बी डन मच प्रायर, थोड़ा प्रायर करना चाहिए. आफ्टर योर मतलब बिफोर योर कोर यू शुड डू कार्डियो. बट वॉकिंग आप कभी भी कर सकते हो. इट्स अ वेरी लाइट ऑन एक्टिविटी एंड इट्स नॉट टू इंटेंस and everybody can do walking. So after the workout you can do the walking, before workouts you can do your walking. It's completely fine. ऐसा कुछ fixed time नहीं है walk करने का. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to come on a separate video on how to do a push up. Okay, push up progression. And don't judge your capability on a push up कि push up नहीं हो रहा तो मतलब workout ही नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं, you're doing lots and lots of other things also. So don't get disappointed. I'm not able to do push up, मुझसे workout नहीं हो रहा. ये गलत अप्रोच है. ओके, सो सॉल्व दिस अप्रोच. नहीं हो रहा है, वॉल पे जाओ, पुशअप्स करो. ठीक है, वॉल पे जाओ. दिस इज द बेस्ट यू कैन डू. यू कैन गो ऑन अ वॉल एंड डू अ वॉल पुशअप. सी दिस इज इजी, राइट? वॉल पुशअप इज इजी. यू कैन डू नॉर्मल वॉल पुशअप्स. ओके, ये इजी है. ये अप्रोच रखो पहले. ओके, नी पुशअप पे ट्राई करो, इंक्लाइन सरफेस पे ट्राई करो. That's how you want to progress in push-ups. Okay, ये भी push-ups है. Dinner timing depends totally on you, but make sure that you are taking early dinners. Late night dinners are not effective, as you know. Okay, so yeah. See, I generally I will talk about myself. I generally take dinner at 9. Okay, 9:30 max. Okay, so that's my dinner timing. I don't extend my dinner timing. Okay, so जितना हो सके 9 o'clock is fine, and you can have your dinner. Okay, and make sure whatever you're having in dinner include proteins. Okay, so now I'm going to see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for doing this with me. Stronger, better together, and don't worry, थोड़ा सा भी lack हो रहा है because you know you are gaining strength. See guys, first week is like a workout. We are setting up a base for you. हम एक बेस सेट करें अभी पहले वीक में. सो डोंट वरी, टेक इट इजी, सेट अप योर बेस वेरी स्ट्रांग, एंड देन यू नो यू गोना फ्लाई. ओके, सो आई विल सी यू सून.